Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating problem on iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26 beta, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here you have to go to general, and from here go to software update and check if there is any update available like iOS 26 beta 1 or 2. So guys, if the new update is available, then you have to simply update it because the update fixes the bugs in the previous update. So guys, simply update it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the iPhone storage, and then you have to simply delete some useless data from here if your iPhone storage is full. And after this you have to go to apps and delete some useless apps from here which you don't use. Do this, and after this go back, and now you have to scroll it below, tap on date and time and set your date and time, and after this go back and tap on background app refresh, and from here turn off background app refresh from here, then go back, and after this go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN if you don't use the VPN regularly. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device, and then you have to do the last thing, that is you have to simply use at least one app at a time and don't use multiple apps on your iPhone at a time. So guys, you can see this, if you're using multiple apps on your iPhone at a time, then you have to simply use at least one app which you are using at the time. So guys, close all the apps which you don't use and use at least one app on your iPhone at a time. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.